Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Godrej 196 liters direct cool single door 3-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 190 liters, compressor type reciprocating, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Star rating 3 star for energy saving up to 35%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type single door refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Number of doors 1. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Coming to the cost price, 11,990 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.